What's up, my bomb and subscriber squad? What's happening, guys? Welcome. I'm Tonyanicole. Welcome to my channel. Today, guys, we have a mystery box, and it's a secret. I'm not going to tell you who it's from. But if you want to see who I'm unboxing today, well, what mystery box I'm unboxing today, baby, y'all know what to do. Don't move. Stay right there. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Hello, loves. As I said in the intro, I am your girl, Tonyanicole. Welcome. Today, we are doing a mystery box, and I know y'all know from the title, it's from Bakerie. I'm very excited to get into this box. I did watch Just Ann's unboxing because I could not hold it. I needed to see what someone got, so I'm hoping that mine is quite close to her box, so we shall see shortly. I want to give a shout out to my 5 first commenters from my last video. Thank you guys so much for rocking with your girl. Y'all know I appreciate you all. I have a drink today. It's a little bit of rosé, is it? I don't know. Let's take a dance break and a drink break. I hope you all had a wonderful weekend, guys. I am filming this on Monday. It's after 7 because I'm off from work. So this is going to be a very quick one, loves. So this is what it came in right here. This nice, big, huge box here. I did unbox this on my channel a while back. I will link that one up here and try to put it down below. It was okay. I really don't remember too much about it. It just was okay. But I'm hoping that this one is better. So really quickly, guys, this is the August mystery bundle from Bakerie. This is supposed to have 6 favorite products from Bakerie in here. It was $48 plus shipping. So the shipping for me was $6.95. So I paid in total $54.95 for this box. It arrived fairly quickly, and the value is supposed to be around $125. Now, I didn't look in my box. So this is going to be, you know, a first time for both of us. So I'll just put the prices down below if I can find all of them to see if we got the $125 value. So without further ado, let's get this box on and poppin'. Boo, a dance break, Anna, you know it. All right, so it was taped up really well, y'all. So I just went ahead and cut it open before, but I did not peek. So let's open it now. Oh, girl, I hope it's good. Okay, when we open it up, this is what it looks like. It says, carbs, who's counting? That's very, very cute. Let me set her on down. All right, we're gonna peel our little paper back and have these little cute little, I don't know what you call those. All right, so let's see first up. First up out the box, we have, oh my goodness, they're translucent powder right here. I told you I was 6 products you're supposed to get, right? This is the oat translucent powder. I do love Bakerie's powders. They are gorgeous powders. The packaging is so cute. It's like a little flower bag. Let's pull it out. I think that I don't think this is a full size, but this is what it looks like, loves. And the powder is a translucent oat. So it's not gonna be white. It's gonna give you like a beige type look, which I actually do like, and it will blend out well on my skin tone. So I'm very excited for this little powder. I'll put the price down below, guys, so you guys will know. All right, next up out of the box, we have this Sugar Sticks lip liner right here. And that's what we're looking like. I've never ever used a Bakerie lip liner before, so I'm excited. Oh, girl. I'm excited to see what it is about. Let's open it up with the little box cutter. So we're gonna open her up. Ooh, when we pull them out, when we pull it out, it looks like this. Ooh, very, very, very pretty. I love it. What shade do we have? Jello Goodbye. Okay. Pull the top off, and it's a roll-up liner right there. It's red. We're gonna swatch it. Ooh, girl, it's a good old hooker red. Y'all see that? Ooh, love it. Very, very excited for this. Let me know if you've tried their lip liners before. I have not, but it's a very beautiful color. So far, so good. Let's see what else we have in here. So this is the Cake Pop Lippy. I have the shade Glam Jam, and it's like a little cake slice. I love it. Let's see what color we got. All right, so when we pulled it out, this is what it looks like. Cute little packaging. It is a little lipstick, and girl, this must be like a little mini. Yeah, this is the shade Beautiful Red color. Girl, let's swatch. Oh, it's the same color as the lip liner. Gorgeous. I'm actually going to add some of the lipstick. I don't have no liner on, guys, just gloss. Ooh, okay, so I think with a nice deeper liner, this actually looks really good on my skin tone. Girl, this Louisiana heat, it's like my air cannot keep up and I am sweating. So I'm trying to really get through this video quick, but the lipstick is gorgeous. I absolutely love it. Creamy, nice, smooth, perfect. So next up we have these right here, and these are the blending eggs, but they're sponges, and I have been wanting to try these, but I don't know why I didn't pick them up, but I am glad I got them in this little mystery box. That's what they look like right there. When we slide this off, oh girl, I'm struggling with that. All right, this is what it looks like on the inside. You get 6 sponges in total, 3 green and 3 pink. So I'm gonna open this pink one up to see what it feels like. All right, and that's the sponge right there. Very nice, very squishy, beautiful. I will definitely get a lot of use out of these sponges. I love sponges, y'all. I use sponges to do a lot of my makeup, so I'm very excited about this. Ooh, and they all fell out. Next up, ooh, okay, we have a palette. And this is their Queen of Tarts face palette. Oh, I'm excited for this. Like, I just got the bronzing palette, but I'm very excited that I got this one. Oh, look at those shades. This, I love the theme. It looks like they're trying to match like the lipstick with the like blush or face palettes. Girl, brain fart. So I'm gonna quickly swatch these. It's beautiful colors. They're gonna match my skin tone perfectly. That's how they look swatched out on my fingers, and I'm gonna put them on my hand. The last shade is a little powdery, but that's them right there. So I'm assuming this is like blush, a blush and maybe highlight, because it has a little shimmer in the second one. I am loving this and very excited that I got this product. Very excited. And then our final product is another palette. All right, and this is the Breakfast in Bed eyeshadow palette. And when we open it up, that's what it looks like. And oops, comes with a little plastic, and this is the palette right here. Now I think I got this one in a BoxyCharm, if I'm not mistaken. I'm not sure if it was this one, but the shades are really beautiful. I'm not gonna swatch this one because I think I have one, but I just wanted you guys to see how beautiful this palette is. I am very excited to get this, but I think I have this one already. That's okay, it's still a gorgeous palette. Okay, loves, that was our final product. We're gonna do a quick recap, final thoughts, and we're gonna be done. So we received this beautiful eyeshadow palette here, this blush and highlighter palette, this bullet lipstick, the setting powder and oat translucent, the 6 beauty blenders, and this lip liner. So these 6 products are right here, my loves. And my final thoughts is I absolutely loved this mystery box. I thought they gave me a great variety of products, from an eyeshadow palette, the liner that actually matches the lipstick, the beauty sponges, the setting powders. I really enjoyed this one, guys. I don't know if it's $125. I'll put the price somewhere around here, but I must say that it is worth it to me. I'm very glad that I picked this one up because I am quite pleased. Don't forget, guys, if you haven't haven't checked out my last Beauty Bakerie mystery box unboxing, I'll have it linked below. And that's it, my loves. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure you give it a big thumbs up. Don't forget to comment, subscribe to our YouTube channel. I love seeing new faces and love having new people. Follow me on Instagram, Twitter, and TikTok. All of those are down below. And that's all I have, my loves. I'm gonna go watch the Saints game right now and edit this video. I hope you guys enjoy your Tuesday. Well, it's actually Monday for me, but Tuesday for you. And I will see you guys in the comments and on my next video. I love you guys dearly. Bye-bye.